guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Do you have any questions about starting your business? When I started my business, just to give you a little background, I didn't have anyone that I could bounce information off. I had one person that would try to help me a little bit, but even at a certain point, he was like, look, I got a paid program and I took you as far as I'm going to take you for free. So I joined his little program. It really wasn't even a program. It was a one-time session. And I think I paid him like $75 or something. And I learned a little something, but I'm more self-taught. And it took me years to do that. So I took everything I learned and I'm able to put it into a course. And my gift of teaching has been to simplify things. I could take the most complicated thing and explain it to a 2-year-old like it's nothing. So that's a gift that I have. I've been so blessed to do that. One time, and I talk about this in my book, the Start Your Notary Business book, that someone had called me simple. And I was offended. I was like, what? You call me simple? What's up with that? I'm not hardly simple. I speak 2 languages, not perfectly, but I'm very smart. Yeah. In a lot of stuff. Well, if I don't think I'm smart, who else gonna think I'm smart?
Nobody.
Right? If you don't think you got it, who else gonna think you smart? So anyway, I digress. So anyway, but I realized later they just make, she's uncomplicated, which I am. I don't do complications. If we planning a party or gathering together and it gets too complicated, your girl is out. If it's anything too complicated, like when I say complications, if I know we can take 1 + 1 and make it 2, and you, that person, gonna take 1 + 1 + 1 + 2 divided by 5 and carry the 3 and all that.
Where you going?
I ain't doing all that with you. I'm not doing all that. It's gonna be simple, or your girl ain't got nothing to do with it. I will bow out and say, hey, let me just give you some money on that. Okay? Do I do that, Jeffrey?
Yes, you do it in a minute.
What I do?
You just
What? You can tell them we family.
you just tell them after I can hear she done went about 3 different ways. The next thing, asked them a question. The next thing you know, she said, look, I'll send you some money. I'm like, she won't be bothered no more.
I'm done. So I don't do complications. I don't teach complicated. I don't do complications. So even in our teaching, it don't take 500 modules to learn this business. Do you need to know what you're doing to learn the business? Of course you do. Does it take 500 modules? No. And I'm not even exaggerating, guys. There are some courses that are 500 modules, but that's not what I'm here today. I'm here to talk about you. So how can we help you in your business today? Where are you in your journey? Let's talk. Where are you in your notary journey? Where are you? So Geraldine says she's already a notary. Are you actually working as a notary, Geraldine? Hey, Lisa. How are you? It seems like we all haven't seen each other forever because this week's session is on Thursday. So I really like it when we do every Tuesday or Wednesday, but sometimes it is what it is. Hey, guys. So I just got in. It was a terrible day here today. It rained all day. So now I'll take some of your questions. I'll take some of your questions right quick. I guess I'll go in the house. The lighting is good like this. I know the light's going to go out. I'm going to go ahead and go in the house. If y'all have any questions, though, feel free to go ahead and drop them, because I'm going to stay for a little bit longer and talk to you all. I want to tell you about my job I'm doing tomorrow. Do you need some help, Jeffrey, or you got it? Okay. You sure? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and take my shoes off. You sure you got all that?
Multiple trips.
Okay. He said he got it. I'm going to go in here and talk to y'all for a minute. So anyway, so I want to tell y'all about my job that I have for tomorrow. Ooh, I had a couple of friends over earlier, so I did a deep clean on the house. It smells so nice. Don't you love when you deep clean your house? I gotta take my shoes off. I'm tired. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all about my job for tomorrow, so you can see what when people say, "Well, why they need a notary?" I got an interesting job coming up for tomorrow. Hold on, I'm about to tell y'all about it. Let me get my other selfie stick too. Okay, hold on. Be patient. Yeah, my job tomorrow, I'm going to a hospital. And a lot of times I hear people say, well, what they need a notary for? Don't nobody need a notary. What they gonna pay you for? The negativity, right? Because they don't know. They don't know about this business. Yeah, that's like John B. They don't know about this right here. Jeff got a song for everything, y'all. So they don't know about this. The people say, well, don't nobody need a notary. What they need a notary for? You get paid for that? Hold on. That's all you do? How many times y'all heard that before? Is that all you do? You're not. I'm getting my selfie stick together. That's why all the. Okay, here we go. Okay. Let me get myself together. So anyway, my job tomorrow is I'm going to a hospital, and guess who my client is? Guess who my client is tomorrow? And I don't know if any of you have ever had this job before. Who is my client tomorrow? Who do you think my client is at the hospital tomorrow? Hey, Sheila, how are you? How's it going? Who is my client at the hospital tomorrow? Think about a hospital setting. Who could my client be tomorrow? It could be a lot of answers. I'm gonna give you one or two. Who is my client at the hospital tomorrow? Who is my client? Hey, Al. Al, do I have to block you? Or are you just being funny? Al, I think I'm gonna remove you. Al says SpongeBob. I know I gotta block Al because he might be, what you call it, spam. Maybe he was just giving an answer. I don't know. But since the girl don't play, I'll just go ahead and delete you. Now, I'm going to tell you who my client is for tomorrow. It's a POA signing. Actually, no, it's not. Hey, Notary down south. Hey, how are you? It's not a POA or a will. Typically, that is why I'm going to the hospital. Yep. Who else could you imagine that I'm doing a notarization for? I'll give y'all a couple more guesses because maybe you guys have not even heard of this. And this is why I'm telling you about it now, and I'll probably go live after the appointment. It's not my first time doing it, but I'm going to give y'all one or two more guesses. Who am I notarizing for tomorrow at the hospital?
What kind of person?
Huh?
What kind of person?
Yes, what kind of person? Yes, notary down south. The doctor, not a traveling nurse. Good answer though. No, tomorrow I'm actually notarizing for a doctor. So you may be saying, Kimmi, why are you going to the hospital to notarize for a doctor? Jeffrey, you're making a lot of noise, me and more. What you doing? Huh? I mean, you making a lot of noise. Sorry, y'all. So it's a doctor, correct. Ding, 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 ding. So the doctor is signing off on a document saying that the patient needs certain care, and the family hired me to come to the hospital to notarize for the doctor. Yes, because the doctor cannot get out. You think he gonna run on his lunch break and go to the bank for his patient and get the document notarized? No. And I also did one of those during COVID. Oh, that was terrible. Sometimes those situations can be kind of sticky because your patient may not be able to speak, but they can hear. So you got to really screen your client.